Hi everyone, Victoria from Credit Fix Solutions here again with yet another amazing story of saving a credit report and changing somebody's life. And this time it's for client ID 7795. And this particular very lovely young lady could not get her loan across the line because she had a default. We managed to remove that for her. It was a small default, so $337. But if you're applying for more than 80% of a house property, for example, mortgage insurers who insure the banks, not you, by the way, they insure the lenders, they usually don't let anybody come on board and be approved if they've got even a tiny default. So it was well worth the investment so she could apply for her loan. Otherwise, she would have been stuck with that default until late 2029. So it's a long time to be punished. I don't agree with the length of the default listing, but it is what it is. We did remove that within a few weeks, which was fantastic for her, and her score shot up from 527 to 902. So there you go. It's better than my score right now. Any questions, any help, any assessments of credit reports that you need, please get in touch with the team. We have won awards for being so amazing. You do not pay us anything unless we are successful. So you pay once we show you we have achieved what we've promised, and it's a very fair fee for service. You also have unlimited hours access through our law firm, Credit Fix Lawyers. So I hope that I get to speak to you. Should you need some help, get in touch through the website or send us an email. Thanks for listening.